Alright folks, let's dive right into it. Today, we're looking at a powerful strategy on Apple in the US market, currently trading at $312.53. I'm going to teach you a super simple yet highly effective digital number strategy that can yield amazing results. Taking a look at the charts, the stock carved out a massive high right around $345 and pulled back hard. How do we know this drop was aggressive? Because it left strong gaps on the chart that haven't even been filled yet. So, in the upcoming days and weeks, we can expect Apple to push higher toward the $333 level. Now, why is this specific level so special? If you're watching right now, think about it. 1/3 of $1,000 is precisely $333. That makes it a massive, highly respected psychological milestone. Let's look at the numbers. The stock found its strong swing low right down at $300. If we use a simple digital route, adding 3 plus 0 plus 0, we get 3. This means the stock moves in increments of 3 to 303, 306, 309, 312, 315, and so on. Right now, $315 is acting as a key resistance level. If it breaks above 315, our next upside target is $318. On the flip side, our immediate support is right here at $312. If it breaks below 312, it drops down to $309, then $306, and so down the line.